A growing business demands more from you every day. And when you've got more to do, you need a partner that is fast, reliable, flexible, and simple. Introducing the all-new TallyPrime, a power-packed software that makes everyday business management delightfully simple. It adapts to your way of working, so you get greater flexibility and transforms the way you interact with your business every day. Here's how the new TallyPrime can make your life simpler. Use the new Go-To capability to quickly access your business data through different reports. Move to any report instantly and switch between reports no matter where you are. Go-To is part of a whole new top menu which helps you handle interruptions during data entry. Print, email, and export any data from wherever you are without abandoning your current tasks. Multitasking is now well and truly simple. With TallyPrime, it is now super easy to generate reports as per your needs. New actions available across all reports will allow you to get better business insights. Change View suggests alternative views of any report and also gives you related and better insights on different aspects of your business. Basis of values helps change the parameters of a report and look at your business data from different perspectives. Exception Reports helps filter data that stands out in your reports and may need your attention. Recording your vouchers and masters is extraordinarily simple. With more details, you can now easily handle exceptional situations in day-to-day working. This means less effort and time in getting work done. So, if you've got more to do and you need to make every day simple, do it with TallyPrime. Visit tallysolutions.com to download now. Switch to TallyPrime and make every day simple.